Listen to me. If you are retired, or if you are standing right on the doorstep of your retirement, I want you to stop what you are doing right now and look at me. We need to talk about your money. We need to talk about your hard-earned financial security, because right now, there is a massive trend out there. People are talking about cryptocurrency, they are talking about digital assets, and they are telling you that you can earn a yield, a return on your money, using something called the Bifrost Wallet. And you are sitting there, asking yourself a very specific, technical question: what network does Bifrost Wallet use? But let's be honest for a second. The real reason you are asking the question isn't just out of technical curiosity. No, my friends. You are asking because you are afraid. You are terrified of making a single, irreversible mistake that could wipe out the nest egg you spent 40 years building. You are afraid that if you click the wrong button, or send your funds down the wrong digital pipeline, your money will vanish into thin air, and nobody will be there to help you get it back. And you know what? You are 100% right to be afraid. In the digital world, if you don't know exactly where your money is traveling, you can lose it in the blink of an eye. And at this stage of your life, you cannot afford to lose a single penny. You do not have the time to make that money back. So let's answer your question directly, simply, and with absolutely zero fluff. What network does Bifrost Wallet use? Listen to me carefully. Bifrost Wallet does not use just one network. It is what we call a multi-chain wallet. Think of it like a grand central station for your digital money. As of right now, it connects directly to 14 different financial tracks, including the absolute heavyweights like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But the real reason people use Bifrost, the main track it was built for, is a very specific ecosystem made up of the XRP Ledger, the Flare network, and its sister network, Songbird. Now, I know what you are thinking. Susie, you are speaking a foreign language to me. What on earth do these networks mean for my wallet? Let's break it down so you understand exactly how it works, because if you do not understand it, you have no business putting your money in it. Imagine you have a traditional bank account, but you want to move money between different countries. You have to make sure you're using the right wire system, right? In the crypto world, these networks are the independent highway systems. If you try to drive a car built for a train track, you're going to crash. Bifrost Wallet is special because it is a self-custodial wallet, meaning you, and only you, hold the keys to the vault, and it houses all 14 of these highways under one single roof on your smartphone. The primary highway that Bifrost dominates is called Flare and the XRP Ledger. People in or near retirement are looking at this right now because of something called XRP. That is just a fancy, high-tech word for earning a dividend or a yield on your crypto assets. It allows you to take idle assets, like XRP, and bridge them over to the Flare network to earn an income. Bifrost is the market leader here. They handle over 80% of all the transactions where people lock up their XRP to start earning that yield. But here's where the fear comes back in, and here's where I need you to be incredibly careful. Because Bifrost connects to so many different networks, like Base, Polygon, Arbitrum, and Optimism, the playground is huge. And when the playground is huge, the danger increases. If you are sitting on the Ethereum network inside your app, and you try to send those funds directly to a Bitcoin address without converting it properly, that money doesn't just get delayed. It doesn't get sent back to you with an insufficient funds notice. It gets destroyed. It is gone forever. Can you afford that? No, you cannot. So, how do we protect you? How do we answer the ultimate question of whether this is safe for your retirement capital? First, you need to understand that Bifrost has built-in security features specifically to protect people from making these devastating mistakes. They have integrated a system called blockade. Think of blockade like a fierce, protective security guard standing at the door of your wallet. Before you connect your wallet to any decentralized application or any network website to try and earn a return, this system scans it. If it smells a scam, if it looks like a phishing website trying to steal your retirement fund, it blocks it before your money ever leaves the safety of your device. They also have a feature that stops blind signing. That means when you are moving money from the XRP Ledger over to Flare, the wallet shows you in plain, clear English exactly what is happening to your tokens before you hit approve. But even with the best security guards in the world, the ultimate responsibility stops with you. I want you to take a deep breath and listen to your actionable takeaways right now if you are using or considering the Bifrost Wallet. Number 1. You must understand that because Bifrost is a self-custodial mobile app, there is no customer service line. There is no 1-800 number to call if you forget your recovery password or if you send your funds to the wrong network track. If you lose the 12-word seed phrase that the app gives you when you set it up, your money is locked in a vault at the bottom of the ocean, and not even I can get it out for you. Write that phrase down on paper, put it in a fireproof safe, and never, ever type it into a computer or show it to anyone who claims they are from tech support. Number 2. Always verify the highway before you open the gates. If you are moving funds into your Bifrost wallet from an exchange like Coinbase or Binance, you must double-check that the network you are withdrawing from matches the network address you are copying inside Bifrost. If you are sending Flare tokens, it must be the Flare network. If it is Bitcoin, it must be the Bitcoin network. If you are ever unsure, I want you to do a test transaction. Send a tiny amount first, $5, $10. Wait to see it safely arrive in your Bifrost app. Only when you see the money land securely on the right track do you send the rest of your hard-earned money. My friends, retirement is about security. It is about knowing that the money you worked your entire life for is safe, sound, and available to support you.